Okay, so Rail is a company that Ripple recently partnered with and is in the process of finalizing their the acquisition of Rail to expand their payments power even more. So Bukoli said that they started Rail in 2021 to rebuild how money moves from the ground up. And today they handle nearly 10% of all global B2B stablecoin payments. So now by joining forces with Rail, Ripple can control both sides of the transaction, sending and receiving, making cross-border transfers almost instant. And so he said what used to take 5 days for payroll now takes 1 or 2. And that's just the power of stablecoin. So before, companies could have to wait a week to pay people overseas, but with Ripple and Rail, it now happens within a day. Can happen within a day. So with R and R,